So I saw your question on the discussion board. This one kind of reversed the earlier problems. The earlier problems asked you to construct a confidence interval. This one gives it to you and asks for the mean of the sample, I guess. Trade magazine QSR routinely checks the drive-through service for fast food restaurants. A 9% confidence interval results from 632 customers, and Taco Bell drive-through has the following lower and upper bounds. What is the mean sample mean from these customers? Well, if you just take the lower limit plus the upper limit, and divide by 2, it'll give it to you. You're looking for the point that's midway between these two. And the way you do that's to add and divide by 2 is one way to do it. So I get 170.8. You could subtract them, divide by 2, and add that to the lower limit. Take a little more time, but that also give you this value. Hope that helps.